I'm joined now by James. James,
Hello.
You're from Youngman, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
And we're going to be looking at this, which is the Teleguard.
Yep.
Tell us about the Teleguard and why it is so unique.
Telescopic platform ladder. The unique features on it, it's not a fixed platform, it's got 4 different working heights. You can extend one side over the other, so you can work off steps. It's got a double action locking gate, very robust sliding styles, wheels on the back, and the alignment bars are small enough to walk through doorways. So, real versatile telescopic platform ladder.
Is it movable very easily? I mean, how
Yeah.
lightweight is this thing?
If you fold it down, which you'll do at the end, you just roll it on the back wheels.
And with it being so robust, are there any materials that you've used that may be new to us in certain situations?
You have 4 stabilisers, pull them out on any sort of ground, lock them off, and they'll keep the platform very robust.
And what are the different heights that you can have the ladder at?
1.4, 1.6, 1.9 and 2.2. So very tall for this type of access equipment.
And what kind of platform do you have here that people stand on? I mean, how robust is that we're looking at?
Pull this towards you. You've got a locking action there which will keep you locked in. Then you've got a 610 by 444 platform.
Okay.
As you can see up the top, the gate handrail system has already locked into place. So if I was going to actually now get into this platform, I've got a gate lock there, but I can't actually open it until I flip it like this and up. So if this was to fail, you've got a double action there which will keep you safe should you lean against it if this one failed.
So is that one of the new safety features that you've got on this? And if so, what are the other safety features that we might find?
The fact that it's completely guardrailed. So you step into it, double action lock, keeps you guardrailed. Once you get to the level you like, it's a one-man operation to put this up. You can wheel it in, it's a one-piece component. So if you're looking at certain towers, you might have 6, 8, 10 different components you're going to have to handball in.
Okay.
There is the chance that you could put the cross bracing in wrong, whereas this, once it's locked out there, it's just auto locking. You've got the double action handrail, get the stabilisers out, real robust one-man.
So what's the height of this once it's folded down? Does it stay pretty much what the length of that is now,
Yes,
or does it compact any further down?
It
stays
about the
this
same.
length. And what's the weight load that you can have on there?
The weight loading is 110 duty rating, 150 static load. So across the board, a lot of sort of podium style S are all about 150, which this retains, even though it's 2.2.
And what kind of work environments do you think this would be suited to?
Definitely something in facilities management. So if you're on your own, so a lot of caretakers in colleges, universities, again the handballing in the tower against this, which they can roll in through doorways, through corridors, put it up to 2.2, which will get you high ceilings, and you haven't got to handball in, and you haven't obviously got all the putting together of it. It just literally, you open it up, auto lock in. Now all you've got to do is set your stabilisers, set your platform height, and make sure, and obviously when the gate locks, it's double action, so you're nice and safe.
And with it only being one-man operational, how easy is it actually to get the different heights?
Quite simple. There's a clip here which must be unlocked.
Okay.
Pull the piece off. This lip locks back here and here, and then that locks back on. So that is an example of when you'd use it on a step.
Okay.
It'd be hard to show you, but you can move that down again. So if you had a steeper step, you can move this down too, which is going to give you, from the highest step, a flat platform again. If you wanted to just move it up to the 1.6, again, all you're doing is making sure that these retain quite happily there, locking that back off, and now you've got 1.6.
And how much weight are you actually dealing with? Like, if I myself decided to change the different heights, so would my physique be able to deal with that and its manoeuvre?
It runs, so you've managed to do that.
So, yeah, you have
you've managed to do that with one hand. Yeah. Again, these stabilisers, nice quick release action. These must be put out, and then you just quickly lock them off. You've got 4 individual stabilisers, which is going to make it a lot easier for you to get this platform stable. And the bar that runs across the bottom is an alignment. So if you had 4 feet, it's a lot easier of a stile across the bottom to see that you're on a level piece of ground, and then get your stabilisers out.
That's brilliant. Well, James, thank you very much for that demonstration. If you want to hear more and chat more about Youngman, you can do. What stand are you guys on? Is it D48?
Yes. Yes.
Brilliant.
Just quickly, that's 1.6. You have a 1.9 and a 2.2.
So you've got the four different levels that you could have. That's brilliant. Well, thank you very much, James, for your time. Thank you, young man.